Whether you own a new house or a fixer-upper, renovations are often a necessary part of home ownership. However, new advancements in materials and technology are being made all the time. Don't just replace appliances and household features with the same ones you had before. Consider sustainable home renovations that can save you money and reduce your carbon footprint. While it may take some time to see savings after going green, in the long run, your wallet and our planet will be better for it. Chances are you have an appliance in nearly every room of your house, from blow dryers in the bathroom to the refrigerator in your kitchen. Next time you're shopping for a new appliance, look for the Energy Star logo on packaging. Energy-efficient home remodeling with these eco-friendly appliances can help you save money on your utility bills. Solar panels have been around for decades and are even used by NASA to generate electricity in space. Residential solar panels can actually pay for themselves in 5 to 15 years on average, depending on where you live. There are even some state and federal rebates for homeowners who install solar panels and batteries. While there aren't alternatives to the lumber used in home construction, you do have some options when replacing or installing hardwood floors. Flooring installers have become adept at turning reclaimed wood into stunning floors for homeowners. Installing cork floors is also a great green home improvement because cork is renewable and has beneficial properties like reduced heat loss and superior water resistance. The coolness of a roof is determined by how well the material reflects solar rays away from your home. Not only are there cool options for nearly every commonly used roofing material, but some, like clay tiles, are water and fireproof. Cool roofing options typically don't cost much more than standard options and can help you save more on your energy bills. Like your roof, your home insulation can greatly impact your heating and cooling efficiency and your energy bill. Use sustainable materials with relatively high R values, like sheep's wool, dense packed cellulose, and thermocork. These are green home renovation alternatives that also help reduce your reliance on your thermostat. Many paint manufacturers offer products that use natural ingredients instead of volatile organic chemicals, or VOCs, which emit toxic gases that pollute the atmosphere. Eco-friendly paint can cost a little more, but can be just as or more resilient and effective than paint with VOCs. Eco-friendly paint also reduces the risk of health issues caused by inhaling toxic chemicals, especially for indoor projects. Visit AHS.com to discover more eco-friendly home renovation ideas and ways to help provide future generations with a greener planet.